Welcome to the Techie Savvy tutorials. Today we will discuss about the S3 file output component, which we have already discussed in one of my previous videos. But here, as we are moved to new Pentaho version, which is 8.2, if you see here, there is no secret key and access key variable which are mentioned here. So they have migrated those variables to configuration files. Now you have to create, if you are running Pentaho in Windows, you need to create this .aws folder inside your user, and then you need to create two files, config and credentials, without any extension. So config file will have these things. Now first comes region, the most important thing. So you need to go to this path. If you see here, in my account, US East and Virginia, this points to US East 1. So I have kept US East 1. I want output as CSV. And another file you need to create, which is credentials. Default access key you need to give and secret key you need to give. Both files will come under this folder. And another trick here is, if you're creating .aws folder inside Windows machine or in Windows machine, it will be created when you create a folder. Give aws .aws. So .aws folder will get created. Now we'll go to Pentaho. Here I am using this file, merged file CSV. It has three fields, and in S3 output I am moving this file to S3 tech. So in S3 tech, as of now, only one file is present, which is sample text file.csv. Now we'll run this command. We'll run this job. It's been successful. Let's see here. Refresh this. If you see here, the file merged file.csv is been moved to S3 bucket, which is S3 tech. So conclusion is, there is a change in Pentaho version for few of the components. So for AWS components, you should have two files, config and credentials, which is inside .aws folder. In config, you need to give the region number and output which you want. And in credentials, you need to give access ID and secret key, making sure this default should be there in both the files. And how do you get this region ID? Again, go to this path which I have mentioned in text file, this path, and check your account. If it is in this region, mention US East 2. My falls in US East 1. So I have mentioned US East 1 in config file. Another thing is, do not mention any extension to both the files. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much.